Hello and welcome everyone to our a brand new episode on how to practice on SAP Server in 2025, right? So we all are wants to learn SAP, right? Learn SAP in this new era of 2025, and our goals can be can be to become either SAP technical consultant or SAP functional consultant. Yes, right? Consultants, right? So it can be on ECC server, ECC system. We are going to discuss that part also, and we will discuss it. Meanwhile, for the installation, we have got a Telegram group. You can simply join it. We will provide the link of it, and you can see here we have a link of this particular drive. I will copy it. I will go to Chrome. I will paste it here so that I can access that particular SAP application. So it will take some time to open it. So let's wait for that. I will go and I will click on this download button to download it. Yes. So again, this one is going to take some time to do the downloading part. Let's wait for that. So we want to become a SAP consultant, right? It can be technical one, it can be functional, or SAP cloud developer also. Yes, right? So earlier SAP's version was SAP ECC system, right? Yes. So you can purchase the license from us, license from us for the ECC system also, for both functional and technical. We are providing everything, right? Technical, we are providing everything. Just do one thing. You are going to connect on this number. I'm providing the number here. You are going to directly connect on it. I'm from India, so +91 is our India code. 6205330 and 620. Yes, this is the number. You can simply WhatsApp on me, or you can simply call me for the same stuff. 6205330 Yes. So you can purchase the license of the ECC system. Yes, I will download it. It will be downloaded. Then we will do the installation, right? Let's wait for a few seconds. It will start the downloading. Okay. Meanwhile, it is being downloaded. Let's discuss the next thing. The current version of SAP system is SAP S/4HANA. Yes, simplified fourth generation of S/4HANA, available available which is available in both functional, in two different flavors, basically different flavors. Yes, SAP on-premise system and SAP S/4HANA system, S/4HANA or SAP cloud system. Yes, it is available in two different flavors. SAP on-premise and SAP cloud installation has been done here, right? I will double click on it to do the installation of it. Extraction is being done. It will take some time. Yes, it will take some time. Let's wait for that. I will allow. This pop-up will come. I will go for next. I will select the GUI signature theme. I will go for next. And installation will be done. So this is available in two different flavor, on-premise and cloud system. We have all the servers for both functional and technical as well as cloud. So you can buy from us. Yes, we have a dedicated basis team or administration team and ABAP team to manage the server, for any kind of issue, right? So if you are facing any kind of issue, we will be responsible to resolve it. Runtime issue. Yes, every server is available for us. We just need to do one thing. You are just required to text me on this number +91 620 5330 620. Yes, right? You can get any kind of server from us, right? It is being installed. 88% has been completed. 89, right? So both the flavor, cloud we have available. ECC, S4HANA, every version, the latest version of S4HANA we have 2023 version, which is the latest one. You can directly buy from us and you can learn whatever you want in 2025. You can become a wonderful SAP consultant and developer, right? So it is being installed. 97, yes, 98, 99, and it is done. So I will open the system. Let's wait. Yeah, completed. Close. And I will open the system. So SAP log. See here, I have already added all these things. You can see we have functional, technical, ECC, S4HANA. We have every server possible. For both the cloud also, right? And you can directly buy from us and you will be able to use them for everything. You can see this, everything we are able to use it. Yes, right? So this is all for this video. If you are looking for any server for practice or learning, please do not forget to ping me on this number. Okay. Thank you very much. See you all. Bye-bye.